Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a very simple dish, which is chicken stew, and you are going to be like surprised with this particular ingredient. It's pomegranate, so it goes really well with the chicken stew and the tomatoes. So let's start our dish. Okay, to start off, we are going to take our chicken and we are going to season it with salt, black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, not too much, and I am using red chilies, grounded red chilies, but you can use also paprika over here instead of this. But I like red chilies, so that's why I'm using it. Okay, mix it well so that all of this will be thoroughly pasted onto each and every part of the chicken. So for your information, I have taken a whole chicken of 1200 grams. Okay. All right, so what you are going to do is to put your bowl or your pan onto a medium heat, and you can put a splash of olive oil. And what you are going to do is you are going to put your chicken over here inside of it. Once it is a bit hotter, then you can make it. And once you put the chicken inside of it, what you are going to do is to brown it for 7 to 8 minutes. Once it is brown, you can take it out and set it aside. Now look at this, it turns to brown, and now we are going to take it out and set it aside. Look at the color. And now turn off the heat as well. Now you need to finely chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, at least 2 onions, and some coriander with red chili as well. So I am chopping it finely. So once it is done, I'll let you know. Now we have finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander, red chili, and finely chopped garlic. So what we are going to do is to start with the onions. So in the same pan, what you are going to do is to add a little bit of oil more, another splash of oil, and it should be on the medium heat. So you are going to add your onions, your chopped onions in it for 10 to 15 minutes. And once, maybe within 10 minutes, the onions will turn soft. And after that, you can add your chopped coriander, garlic. For the last 5 minutes you can add those things that you have chopped already. So we'll come back after 10 minutes again. After 10 minutes we are adding our garlic, our finely chopped coriander, and red chilies. I'm also using green chilies with it for my taste, as per your liking. You can also add, just like me, some green chilies if you want, otherwise it's fine. And let it be on a low heat for 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. Okay, now after 5 minutes you can see, oh wow, watch the color and watch the smell. It's really beautiful. Now what you are going to do is to add 300 ml of tomato puree. I'm using fresh tomato paste. You can also add puree over here instead of it. I don't like puree, in fact. And at this point of time, you are going to add 200 ml of pomegranate juice, and also pomegranate molasses. You can take any brand for it, okay? And look at this. What you are going to do is to add about 4 tablespoons of it. It is very thick, as you can see. All right, so stir it well, and let it boil. Once it is boiled, we'll add our chicken. So you have to increase the heat under the pot. Now look at this, as it starts boiling. So at this point of time, we are going to add our chicken in it, and we'll let it simmer for near about 30 minutes. And in between the intervals, you have to check whether this chicken should not stick onto the pan. And also after 30 minutes, the paste should be thick enough. Once it is thick, all right, what you're going to do is to take it out and dish it out. All right, season it well. Mix it. Check it in intervals. It should not stick at the bottom. The chicken should not stick at the bottom. And after 30 minutes, the sauce should be thickened enough. And after that, you can serve it with rice, or you can take it as it is by spreading pomegranate rubies on top of it. All right, so we'll come back once it is done. Now after 30 minutes, we can see it is ready and the sauce is thick enough. It's ready to serve now. So we will come back to you after serving. So this is my pomegranate chicken stew. I have sprinkled some of the fresh coriander and serve it with scattered pomegranate seeds.